Cursor versus GitHub Copilot. Which AI coder is smarter? Cursor AI and GitHub Copilot are both AI-powered coding assistants, but they differ in their approach and focus. Cursor AI is a standalone AI-powered code editor with a chat-driven interface, while GitHub Copilot integrates with VSCode and provides advanced code completion and generation. Cursor AI excels in conversational coding and codebase understanding, while GitHub Copilot shines in its integration with VSCode and advanced autocomplete features. Cursor AI. Focus. Conversational coding and codebase understanding. Features. AI code completion. Chat-driven interface for asking questions and getting code suggestions. Intelligent code refinement. Inline code generation. Error correction and debugging. Code-based questions. Natural language prompts. Strengths. Excellent for debugging and learning as you code. Can help with complex tasks by understanding the entire codebase. Offers a more traditional development environment with powerful AI features. Considerations. May not be ideal for users who heavily rely on VS Code's specific features. GitHub Copilot. Focus. Integrated AI coding assistant with VS Code. Features. Advanced code completion and generation. Suggests complete methods, boilerplate code, tests, and algorithms. Understands the context of the code you're writing. Can generate documentation and handle boilerplate code. Strengths. Seamlessly integrates with VS Code, making it easy to use. Offers a more streamlined workflow for developers. Provides advanced code generation capabilities. Considerations. May not be as effective for users who prefer a more conversational approach to coding. May require more manual effort to understand and integrate with your codebase. In essence, choose Cursor AI if you want a ChatGPT-like experience within your editor, excel at debugging or learning as you code, and prefer a more conversational coding style. Choose GitHub Copilot if you already use VSCode and want a more integrated experience with advanced code generation capabilities.